Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the NQ simplicity chart with Apex Investing. Again, we went over this in the last video and it made about 71 points of profit until 11 o'clock I think we went. So today we're just going to be kind of recapping the morning as it's currently noon Friday, February 9th. And we're going to go from there. Okay, so I want to just kind of recap the morning here with simplicity. And again, we're just going to be kind of taking every single trade, even if it's not the best entry. So again, to recap, we need the solid line above the dash line for shorts, and they both to be pointing down and red. Okay, for longs, we need the solid line underneath the dash line, and then both pointing up and being green. So here we have both pointing down, potential entry bar, as long as we break the low. Okay, so our entry would be right around 80 right here, and we would exit as soon as we get a candle closure above 88 or above this red solid line. It would be right around there for about a 9-point loss. And I will pull up a spreadsheet here just to keep track of everything. So that trade right there was, we'll say, -9. And then we'll just go on, see if we get any other entries. So here, potential long if we break this high. We do break the high. And our target would probably be this dev up here at 915. And we're going to trail our stop with a solid line. So it hasn't broken under quite yet and broke under. So that's a 9-point win. So we're basically break even on the day now. That's pretty flat, so they're not really pointing down much. Wouldn't take an entry off that. We do end up hitting the dev. Now we're both angling up, see if we can break the high. We do break the high. So another entry there, stop loss will be around 912. Didn't break below this green here, and we'd be targeting this dev. We did break below there, that's about a 5-point gain. So currently 3 trades, and we are up 5 points on the day. Now they're both angling down. We don't break the low though. Angling down again here. We do break the low, so that would be an entry, even though we are going right into this dev here. And we break back above. That's about we'll say that's an 11-point loss. So again, we're just recapping the day here. We get an entry there. We do. So they're both angling up. We break that high. Stop loss, the solid line. And again, get chopped out. -8. So currently down a little bit on the day. Nothing, no entries. There we go, angling up. We don't crack the high yet. Crack the high there though. I would consider this an entry. Targeting that dev. There we go, that's about 19 points of profit. No other entries yet in here. Potential entry angling up. We don't break the high. Angling up again. We do break the high. So entry right here about 64. Stop loss will be 60. You could target this next level. There we go. Targeting the next level. That's 8 points of profit. And we'll go till about 11 o'clock here. You could get another re-entry, but we'd probably leave that until we get another change though. Angling up there. Breaking the high, another entry around 88, stop loss will be 80, targeting this dev at 18,000. We do get a close below though, so that's a small loss, -5. Slightly angling down there, barely, but if you wanted to take it, you probably could, targeting this. But again, you want to see steep ones. That's pretty flat. That's not really angling in either direction. Or angling down, so I probably wouldn't take that. That would have been about a 5-point loss though. Slightly angling up, didn't break the high. Keep going. That's a pretty good angle, and we break the high. We would take an entry here. 94, stop would be 90. Do stop out for a 4-point loss. So currently on the day, we are up 4 points on the day. And again, generally you'd have targets, right? So this was down, both down pretty steep. We did break the low. That would be an entry candle. And we'd be trying to target 72, but we do break above the red line there. So that's about a 2-point gain. Basically break even. Now we get steep angling up at 90. We break this high, we'd enter. We did break the high, stop 88. Again, targeting this dev if we can. Getting really close, tag the dev. 11-point gain. Now we're up 17 points on the day. So could call it up 17 points. It's 10 o'clock, hour and a half in. We'll go till 11 again. Angling up here, don't break the high. Angling down pretty good there, 96. So we would enter on this next bar right around here. Stop, trailing. Small win for about 3 points. So that right there, you would stop because that's the 20-point target that I was mentioning. So we followed our rules there. We add all these up. That's 20 points on the day. So you would want to shut it down 20 points, okay? Because we're just at more of a risk of, losing. Slightly angling up pretty flat though. This one's angling up better. We don't break the high though. Angling back down here. So if we break the low, we'd enter. Did break the low. Stop would be this solid line. And we'd be targeting 72. This green level there. But we did break back above the solid line here, so that's about a 5-point win. Now currently up 25 points on the day. Slightly angling up there. Angling up there, we crack the high barely. So let's say you take an entry there. Stop 83. That'd be a stop out for about 6. So now back to about 20 points. So entry next candle. If we break the low, and we did break the low. Trying to target that dev, but again, comes right back up. Stop out for about a 7-point loss. Angling back up here. Break the high on that candle. Trying to ride it up to this dev. Can. This barely closed below by like a tick, so I would probably wait to see if we move down a little more. So I'm gonna count that for about 18. We rode that up, nice. Both pointing down here, didn't break the low. Both pointing down here as well, we did break the low. So entry there, stop would be up here. And it comes right back up. You could probably exit there for an early loss because we do come up there. So about -5, -6. And they're both angling up here. So if we broke the high, that'd be entry. So right here's entry. And you wouldn't want to enter really that close to the dev there. You can see why right there. They're -5. And that's 11 o'clock there. So we ended up getting some other decent moves later on, like right here. Let's see, both angling up here, crack the high, 87. You just trail your stop until we hit this dev. 15-point win. Slowly just itching our way up. You can see here again, angling up. But if we add all those up till 11 o'clock, that is exactly 20 points of profit on the day. See that right here? Exactly 20 points of profit. So not too bad of a day, I would say. Obviously took a lot of trades until 11, right? You would have been probably done earlier, but still not too bad. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions.